All right, happy homeowners. We are back on the other side of the house. Hanging the plastic, moving some furniture. That's the first noise I've heard out of that dog in a week. He's excited because she's getting ready to take him walking. But that ugly brown, man, over a month ago we did the house in Whittier, and it had the old quarter sign, and that's what this has. Look at that. And because it's so old or brown, it's not old, it's just an ugly color. Okay, it's a great color. If you like it, I like it. But they don't. We're going to change it, and that quarter sign is going to just pop. But before he blocks us in here, let's check out. Got some of the artwork back in. Look at this, look at this. It's amazing. I do this every day and I'm amazed. But this is the only reason I took this job. I'm trying to sneak out of here with this original Indian motorcycle. All right, so now to make the other side of the house, look at this, someone dropped the earth. This is going to be coming in. All right, get ready for the transformation.